Struggling to find where to add your Facebook page in Xero? You are not alone. That setting is tucked away in a place that is not super obvious, and hunting through all those menus can be a huge time sink. I will show you the exact menu path in 60 seconds so you can get that link added and get back to business. Here is the plan. We will log into Xero, navigate through the accounting settings, and I will show you exactly where to put your Facebook link. Let us walk through it step by step.
So first things first, go ahead and log into your Xero account. You will land on your main dashboard. This is the command center for everything, but we are not staying here. We need to head into the settings area. Now, look at the top menu bar. You will see a tab that says Accounting. Click on that. This opens up a drop-down menu with a bunch of different options for how your financial settings work. It might look a little intimidating at first, but we are only going for one specific thing. From that Accounting drop-down, you want to select Accounting Settings, not just any settings, but specifically the ones that control your invoices, taxes, and in our case, your business details. Click on that. Once you are on the Accounting Settings page, you will see a list of options on the left-hand side. Look for the one that says Organization Details and click on it. This is the page where all the core information about your company lives, like your legal name, your address, and your logo. Now we are getting close. You are going to scroll down the page. Keep going past the main address and contact email fields until you find a section labeled Contact Information. This is the section that manages how your customers see you on your invoices and statements. All right, here is the part everyone gets stuck on. Inside that Contact Information section, you are looking for a field specifically called Facebook. It might not be at the very top of the list. It is usually near the bottom of that block, right after things like your website address or your Instagram handle. Just scan down that section and you will find it. Once you see that Facebook field, you have two options. You can either type in just your Facebook page username, the part after the slash in your URL, or you can paste the full link to your page. Both work just fine, but a full URL is usually a little more reliable for your customers. So go ahead and enter that in. Take a quick second to review what you typed. Make sure there are no typos and that the link actually works. You can even open a new browser tab to test it quickly if you want to be extra sure. A broken link is worse than no link at all. Everything look good? Perfect. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click the green Save button. That is it. The change is applied instantly. And that is the whole process, from fumbling through menus to confidently adding your Facebook link in well under a minute. See how easy that was? If this video saved you some time, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other Xero quirks you want me to tackle, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.